In case if you are looking for a better alternative drone, then follow the link in the description below. What is the import tax of drones to your country? As different countries have different import tax, I suggest you to follow the link in the description below, where it will take you to an online import tax calculator for all specific countries. What are the contents that comes with the sales package? Controller, extra propeller, USB cable, manuals and the drone itself. Does it have a camera on the drone for recording videos? Yes. What is the camera resolution? 2 megapixels. What is the maximum resolution it can record videos? HD. Can it record slow motion videos? No. Does it have zoom feature? No. Does it come with a gimbal for stabilization? No. Is it compatible with additional gimbal? No. What is the maximum range of the drone? 80 meters. Does it come with a remote controller? Yes. Does the controller have display for live viewing? Yes. Does the drone support smartphones for controlling? What is the battery capacity? 400 mAh. What is the battery charging time? 4 hours. What is the flight time with one charge? 20 minutes. Does it come with extra propellers? Yes. Can the propellers be disassembled? No. What is the maximum speed of the drone? 25 km per hour. Does it have an inbuilt memory? No. Does it have a micro SD card slot? Yes. What is the maximum memory card size it can support? 64 gigabytes. What kind of internal stabilization the drone camera has? No. What is the body material of the drone? Plastic. Does it have active track feature which lets you lock on subjects? Yes. Does it have folding design for portability? Yes. Does it have intelligent flight modes? No. Does it have built-in gyro? Yes. Does it support gestures for controlling with hand? Yes. Does the drone have obstacle sensor? No. Follow the link in the description below for 10 best drones from China that are really good.